Out of all the clones or anything that has Aventus vibe, I think I dislike this one the most. It's okay. Hello and welcome to another Scent Explorer video. Today we are going to explore this one. This collector's edition that has been hyped a lot, and I am going to give you a warning for this. Okay, so let's wrap this. And I'm going to unbox this sample set. I already have reviewed one of the perfume from this collection, which is I think the oud version, Supremacy in oud. So let's unwrap this. And so this is the box, and today we are going to review the very famous Supremacy collector's edition. I have heard a lot of things that this is the best, this is the that and this and that. I'm warning you, it is not safe blind buy. Okay, so there is a paper like this which shows top notes. I really like this from this sample set. I already have tested it. I had it sample and I didn't like it. Okay, this sample is good. You get kind of like a pineapple, but the thing I hate about this is the bubblegummy effect. So I'm not sure why they have added this fruity kind of light bubblegummy effect to this perfume. If you have ever sniffed Aventus or even the older versions of Aventus where they say it was smoky, I had a bottle, empty bottle, I ordered from eBay, and it was 2013 version, smoky version of Aventus, and if you sniff the nozzle of that bottle, it is so good. It is not even like 20% of what this is. It is musky, sweet, fruity, light pineapple. I didn't get much smoke. I have sprayed it on my hands, and on paper even it doesn't get much smoke. It is kind of like bubblegummy, fruity, musky or dirty kind of version of Aventus. Out of all the clones or anything that has Aventus vibe, I think I dislike this one the most. It's okay. If you are very young, if you are like 20s or maybe in your teens, I think you can wear this. But for me, at least, I think anyone who is a bit mature, 23, 25 or above, I think this is not suitable. There is a lot of hype and I was really disappointed in this collector's editions. And the reason is the bubblegummy effect, the musky dirtiness in it. I don't understand why that, you know, bubblegum sweetness has been added to this. It has nothing to do with this one. And smoke, I didn't get any smoke, even not, I would say 5%, maybe somewhere 1-2% is the smoke. If you have sniffed any original older version of Aventus which is smoky, this is nothing compared to that one. It is a headache for me. For me, I would rate it like 5 out of 10 for scent profile and performance. I think it is very potent. Maybe this is why people like it. If you even wash your hand, it is not going to come off. I was going to sleep, I put it on my wrist and I washed it once because I was going to get a headache. And when I was going to sleep, I said, who is wearing this horrible perfume? And someone said, no one is wearing. So I thought, oh, I sniffed my wrist and still the perfume was emitting its bubblegummy, musky kind of effect. So this is why I dislike it. It is kind of like bubblegummy, musky kind of tone to this one, which I really dislike. Pineapple is not too heavy over here. Smoke is not too heavy. So if you are after smoky Aventus version, this is not it. Okay, so this is my review. I just burst the bubble of a lot of influencers that say, this is amazing, this is that, this is so good, this is blind buy. No, please hear me. This is not a safe blind buy. This one is collector's edition. Supremacy collector's edition. This is not safe to buy blind buy. So Supremacy collector's edition, this is my review. If you differ, oh, this is, I don't like it. It seems like a cheaper, younger, or maybe kind of kid kind of version of Aventus or Aventus Absolute or anything like that. I haven't sniffed Aventus Absolute, but I have heard that it is related to smoky versions of Aventus. So this is nothing compared to that. So that's my review about collector's edition, Supremacy's collector's edition. It is not a safe blind buy. If you like bubblegummy, dirty kind of perfumes like 9 PM and other, you know, Le Labo perfumes that have, you know, bubblegummy effect, then you can go for it. This is my review. I hope you liked it, and always test before you buy anything. Never believe on what influencer says or what you see in the videos. Okay, and take care. Bye bye, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.